Hello students, the question is from the operating system. The question asked is, given a 5 total units of resource, tell whether the following system is in safe or unsafe state. Okay, so the table is given like the process, there are P1, P2, P3 and P4. Okay, and the used is by P1 1 unit is used, by P2 1, by P3 2 units are used, and this by this unit and maximum this required is 2, this required 3, this required 4 and this required 5. And we already know that maximum units of resources are how much? Units of resource are 5. Okay, 5 units, right? In the question it is given because 5 units of resources are there. And how much are now used? Totally used is how much? Totally used is 1 plus 1 plus 2. So 4 units are used. 4 units are used. So by P1 how much is required? Maximum 2 are required. Okay, so 1 it already used, so 1 is left, right? Because 5 units are there, 4 units are used. So the 1 unit can be used by P1, right? And then it will release 2 units, correct? Now you see 2 units are released by P1 and P2 already used 1 unit and it required 3. So how much is remaining? Remaining is 2 units. So it can use that 2 units. Therefore P2 can use 2 units and then release 3 units, right? So now it has released, P2 has released 3 units. Now P2 has released 3 units, fine. Now we have 3 units left and P2 has used 2 units and maximum required is 4. So it required only 2 units. From these 3 units, P3 will use 2 units and 1 unit will remain as it is. 1 unit remain as it is, and then it will release how many units? It already 2 it was using, now it has used 2, so it will release finally 4 units. It will release 4 units. So remaining units, how much we want? Remaining units 5 units, right? Now we have 5 units and P4 also requires 5 units, so it will use all these 5 units, fine. So here no process is starving, no process is waiting for long time, it's not going into any waiting state, so we can say that system is in safe state. Okay, therefore answer is A. Thank you.